my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm! Wait. Everybody calm down! No!
Oh my God. Oh my God. So let's talk about it. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Welcome. Okay, but no, for real though, y'all, welcome to the channel. It's your girl Ikea, okay, and we are going to do a unboxing of the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 Creator Combo, okay. I'm a fan of DJI. I've always wanted to really dive into YouTube outside of being a live streamer. In 2024, we're pretty much halfway through the year. It's now July. And I really wanted to do content that wasn't related to gaming. Okay. So, which kind of sparked this real like impulsive YouTube channel that was created in like 3 days. Okay. If you haven't already checked out my starter lock video, for those who didn't know, yes, I locked my hair. Okay, so we are in this video, we are 1 week locked. Okay. But I just wanted something different. My mindset was different. My walk is different now. So I'm really excited for this new me. I'm taking my feelings more seriously. I'm taking the type of content that I want to create outside of gaming more seriously. So I feel like this channel is what was needed. It's very spontaneous. This channel is going to be spontaneous AF. This is going to be different, but I'm very super excited. All right, enough of the talking. Let's get into this unboxing, y'all. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Don't judge me, y'all. I just got some regular scissors. I don't got nothing fancy. We just gonna open the box. You feel me? Oh, maybe not. Did it open like that? It did not. All right, got it. Okay. When I tell y'all, when my package kept getting delayed, I was about to just sit outside and wait for the Amazon man to pull up. In a chair. I was going to be sitting in a chair, waiting for him to pull up. Like, where's my package, bro? It's supposed to have been here 3 days ago, bro. Okay? Okay. So, let's... I'm so excited. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna take everything out the box. Okay. Oh yeah, that's leather. Okay, that's leather. All right. You got some stickers in the pack. You have a QR code. It says DJI store and it says light cut, which I'm not too for certain what that actually means, but you know, hey, we'll dive into that when we get into it. We have a quick starter guide. Will we read it? Probably not. And that's okay. I'm the type of person, I don't read manuals. I just kind of do it, you know? But I'm not going to lie. I've been researching the Pocket 3 for quite some time. And what prompted me buying this camera was because of how it's just easy to use. It's user friendly. All the capabilities with this camera is insane. I've watched maybe about 10 different YouTubers, and I wanted to see them use this camera in various different ways. There was one YouTuber that used their Pocket 3 as a studio camera. So they used it as like a live streaming camera, and then they also used it as a camera to shoot their YouTube videos with. And I thought that was pretty freaking awesome. We want to see versatility. Okay, so right now I am filming this video on a Sony a5100 camera. This camera I got in 2018. So now we're in 2024. It only shoots in 1080p. Okay, I wanted my YouTube videos to have a little bit more depth. I wanted the video to look cleaner. So I went ahead and copped the Pocket 3. Another reason behind the purchase is that so I don't really have to lug around a heavy camera when I'm vlogging. This camera allows you to shoot discreetly, very discreetly, okay? And we are going to get started and actually open this. Is this anything in here? Okay, there's nothing in here. This bag, this bag is so nice. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out of the bag so you guys can see like every single device, accessory that is coming out of this bag. Oh, there's more. There's more. Oh, there's something else on the side. Like there's more. Oh, there go another piece. There's so much in this bag. Okay, this bag really fit a lot. And let's see what we got here. So we have a carrying case. Well, protective cover. So you get 2 lenses in here. Okay, we get 2. And I believe that's what I just had in my hand just now. Or what is this? Okay, yeah. So there's a wide angle lens. This thing is dope as fuck. Boy, we ain't even turned it on. We just on the accessory part. Okay, so this is a wide angle lens. Okay, we're going to be testing out everything. And the wide angle lens goes inside of the cover. And it's magnet. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's magnet. It's magnet. Okay, so what's in here? Boy, I tell you, they got the packaging. Oh, this is a magnet. Like I already knew some of this, but it's different when you actually see it all coming out of the packages. And oh my God, this magnet. Whew. So inside of the creator combo kit, you get the DJI Mic. You guys get a mic, which is very, very convenient. Okay. Word on the street is that a lot of people have been purchasing the creator combo pack simply for the mic. So we're going to see, I'm going to do some audio plays for sure, because I actually intended on I've never used this mic before. I have a bunch of different microphones laying around. I'm a big fan of Blue Yeti. Never opened this This is a podcasting mic line that they created. I got this mic maybe about 7 years ago. Opened it up for the first time a week ago. So this mic is what I actually plan on using whenever I set up to do like head talking videos. That's the mic I plan on using, but we're also gonna try this mic out because I want to hear the difference. I want to hear the difference for sure. Okay, so you get what is the proper term for this little fuzzy thing? I know it goes on your mic, like so. I have several of those everywhere. So, and then you get a wrist strap. Okay. USB-C cable. Okay. I'm super excited because of the fact that whenever I record videos, all I have to do is plug it up to my my PC. I no longer have to upload it to Dropbox, download it from Dropbox, put it on my editing software. I want this YouTube channel to thrive as well as it can. And I feel like the Pocket 3 is going to allow me to cut all those excuses that I had before. Okay, so we have a tripod. I love, see, look, we're already we're already setting the tone without actually turning anything on. We haven't turned nothing on. Like, this is crazy. Okay, so this is a battery pack. Yeah, so this is a battery pack, and you can mount the battery pack, which is super dope. Okay, and this is another battery pack. So it's two battery packs. One's like an extended version. So as you can see by the sizes. So extension and mounting. You can mount them both. Y'all see them? Y'all see them holes? All right, cool. All right, so I think that's everything in this box. All right, just to double, triple check. All right, you guys, are you ready? I can't believe I actually have my hand on this now. I'm kind of intimidated, not going to lie. Okay, y'all ready? Whoa. So the fact that you can like go from landscape to portrait mode is swipe from right to change the audio. Okay, cool. Tap to rotate gimbal. Oh, hoo-hoo. So now it's on me. And now it's back on you guys. You see that? Okay. I know it has tracking. Let's see. It's gonna be me playing with this and losing sleep. Dynamic facing. Spin shots. Oh, they gonna make boy. Okay, so it is moving. I want to put this on a tripod and kind of show you guys, but it is following me. So I'm gonna hold it closer and then kind of move. Oh. Boy, this camera is crazy already, and we've only done like simple things. And you can turn it. There's a joystick feature here where you can turn it and go up and down. Super cool. I feel like the motion too is very seamless. Like it's really like stable. Whenever I like turn it and move it, it's holding it in place. Like, so the footage is very stable. That's awesome. So we got low light feature. All right, so these are the features that's on this camera. Time lapse, slow-mo, low light, video, photo, and panorama. This thing is crazy, yo. All right. So right now, simply because this is like my first time opening, I have this to say. Let's see what it looks like putting it in the case. I don't think you can put. Okay. The case. I feel like the case could have been a little better designed, but you know, hey. What can we say? What I will say is this. I'm super excited to start creating content with this. I have no excuse as to why I can't make any videos. I have no excuse to why I couldn't snap. I have no excuse. I'm super excited. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, this unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I am very, very, very happy that I finally have this. So excited. Okay, here moving forward, it's going to be content shot with the DJI as much as possible. As a disclaimer, you will see me using my Sony still here and there, but for the most part, we're going to utilize this camera as much as possible. Okay, you guys will see various different setups. You guys won't only see this talking headset background. So we're going to test it all out, every single feature possible. We're really going to dive into this camera, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Make sure y'all go check out my lock starter. Okay, go check out my lock starter video. All right, and we will be documenting the lock journey with the Pocket 3. Okay, because we'll be out and about, and I want you guys to see the locks as they are flourishing, and we're gonna have the DJI do it all. Okay, we're gonna have it capture every single moment. Okay, I'm so excited, y'all. All right, bye, gotta go. Y'all have an awesome day.